Your TLE teacher has requested that you create a bracelet for your performance output. You have a total of 8 different colored beads. How many different ways can you make a bracelet out of these 8 different colored beads? You will notice that each possible arrangement is just a mere rotation of the other. In order to determine the exact number of ways, I will discuss with you through this video lesson the circular permutation. What is a circular permutation? A circular permutation is a special case of permutation where the arrangement of things is in a circular pattern. It does not have a starting point, so we just select an arbitrary point and count clockwise or counterclockwise from it to identify its arrangement. Let's examine this figure. This figure shows a circular permutation of A, B, C. If we count clockwise, the permutation can be named ACB, CBA, and BAC. The permutation of n objects arranged in a circle can be solved using the formula quantity n minus 1 factorial. Let's solve example number 1. In how many ways can 4 people be seated around a circular table? There are 4 people here, so Rn is 4. Substitute this value of n to the formula, we have 4 minus 1 factorial. Subtract 1 to 4, that is 3, so we have 3 factorial. We apply the fundamental counting principle and multiply. 3, 2, 1 then multiply them. 3 times 2 times 1 is 6. Let's have another example. Find the number of different ways that a family of 6 can be seated around a circular table with 6 chairs. There are 6 people to be seated in circles, so Rn is 6. Remember the formula for circular permutation, which is the quantity n minus 1 factorial. Substitute 6 minus 1 factorial. Subtract that is equal to 5, then we have 5 factorial. Apply the fundamental counting principle. We have 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 then multiply. 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, that is equal to 120. Therefore, there are 120 possible ways. Let's take another example. 10 Boy Scouts are to be seated around a campfire. How many ways can they be arranged? There are 10 Boy Scouts, so Rn here is 10. Use the formula in solving circular permutation, then substitute the value of n, which is 10. That is 10 minus 1 factorial. 10 minus 1 is equal to 9, so we have 9 factorial. Apply again the fundamental counting principle. That is 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and then multiply them. 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. It is equal to 362, 880. Therefore, there are 362, 880 possible ways.